Hello everyone, welcome to our channel Login 8. In this video, I will guide you on how to go back to old Discord layout. So if you also want to go back to old Discord layout, this video is just for you. Follow the simple steps and you'll be able to do it. So first of all, open your Discord application. You can see over here Discord is opened. Now at the bottom right corner, you'll be able to see your profile icon. All you have to do is tap on it. Now you'll be led to this kind of interface. At the top right corner, you'll be able to see the gear icon. All you have to do is tap on it. Now you'll be led to settings. Scroll down. You can see several options over here. Find the option for advanced. After you find the option for advanced, all you have to do is tap on it. Now you'll be led to this kind of interface. At top, you'll be able to see the option for developer mode. All you have to do is enable it. Simply toggle the button right next to it. You can see over here it is already enabled in mine. Make sure you enable the developer mode. Now go back. Now scroll down. Here you'll be able to see the developer settings. At second last, you'll be able to see the settings for clear caches. All you have to do is tap on it. Now you can see over here the cache has been cleared. Now go back. Now disconnect to your Wi-Fi. Now double tap on the profile icon at the bottom right corner. Now you'll be led to settings. Scroll down. You can see the appearance option over here. All you have to do is tap on it. Now you'll be led to this kind of interface. Here you'll be able to see the option for layout. All you have to do is connect to your Wi-Fi again. After that, you'll be able to see show new layout option. All you have to do is disable it. Simply toggle the button right next to it. After that, your new layout will not be shown. So that is how you go back to your old Discord layout. I hope you found this video helpful. Thank you for watching. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel.